How to turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and further tap on your profile name at the top. Now go ahead and navigate to the profile picture that you want to turn off likes for. Once you have the picture, tap on the picture to open the picture. You will now see 3 dots on the top right of your screen. Tap on that. In the pop-up window that appears, tap on the Edit Privacy option and further select the Only Me radio button, and with this, your profile picture will no longer appear in other people's feed, leading to people not being able to like your profile picture. And only you will be able to view the picture. So this is how you can turn off likes on Facebook profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this.